Hey everyone, Dave here. Thanks for joining me for this fun cook. We're going to be doing flank steak pinwheels on the grill with some bell pepper, red onion, mozzarella, and spinach. Let's get it started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do to get this started is we're going to take our meats. We're going to set this down. We're going to want to fold this so that when we cut against the grain after rolling it. I'm going to bash these down. You can use a hammer if you got a mallet. If you don't have a mallet, just use a pan. And then we're going to take this and we're just going to pound it down. Okay, now we're going to prep our pinwheels here. I've got the steak laying, so when we cut it, it'll be against the grain. First thing I'm going to do is season our steak. This is basically coarse pepper, kosher salt, and a little bit of granulated garlic and granulated onion. Then we're going to lay out on each of them here a little bed of spinach. Just spread out here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to lay down we sliced up our red bell pepper. And then we sliced real thin, just for a little extra flavor in there, our red onion. And then we're going to top that with our mozzarella cheese. This is a fun cook. You can do this with your kids as well. Go have fun with it. And it looks beautiful, and it'll taste great when it's done as well. Okay, now the fun part, we're gonna roll this up real slowly. Just keep tucking it in as you go. And then we're gonna take a toothpick and we're gonna stick it right through both sides here. And I'm gonna add one more here at the end as well, on each side, just to keep everything in the best we can. Right here, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay down some oil, and I'm gonna put these right down here on the plancha where it's about 450 right now. Then I'm gonna give it a cover, and we're gonna flip it in about 5 minutes. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. Oh, they look and smell beautiful. We're gonna give them a roll here. Look at the beautiful crust on that. Outstanding. Now we're gonna cover it back up. Give them another 5 minutes. These smell and look absolutely amazing. We're gonna slice these. This is the hard part. And again, for presentation purposes, you want them to look nice, but they're gonna taste great no matter how they look. The first cut's always trying to clean it up, but we're gonna slice right through. It helps to have a nice sharp knife. Look at that, just beautiful, beautiful meat. We've got the medium rare there in the middle. The cheese, the pepper, the spinach, the onions all look and smell amazing. Fantastic. I cannot wait to eat this. I've sliced these. The meat came out perfect, just how I wanted it. You see that medium rare in the middle? The cheese is melted perfectly with the pepper, the onion, the spinach in there. I've got a knife and fork, but you know, I'm just diving in. That is fantastic. The fresh taste of the spinach and the onion and the pepper, the cheese, the meat tastes great. You gotta give this a try. Thanks so much for joining me on this cook. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Tell me what you want to see cooked next to be happy to do it. Have a great day, everyone, and remember, spread love through barbecue.